This is a 2018 Ford F-150 Supercrew XLT, and it is on the F-150 LED marker lights. I purchased the LED bulbs, very bright, big difference from stock. The only thing I want to give anyone a heads up that has this year Ford F-150 is in the video they do it from the driver's side, and it's easy peasy, very easy. But the passenger side, for me, the key is to drain the windshield washer fluid out. There's, I believe, one bolt and one push plastic pin up top, and one bolt on the bottom of the windshield washer and a push pin as well. This way you can move it about very easily, and you should be able to get your hand up there to reach the marker bulb and replace it. But it is not as easy as the driver's side. And I'll show you what they look like. This is daytime. It really doesn't give them the full benefit, but it is nice. There you go. And that's both sides. Again, if you like it, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, but I highly recommend them.